Let's take a moment and just review how we make a brand new Maven project in Eclipse. With Eclipse open, which means that you've selected your workspace and everything, come over here to the Package Explorer on the left. If you right-click in the middle of nowhere on this Package Explorer, you'll get this context menu, and we want to go to New, Other. When we do that, this new dialog opens up, and there's a Maven folder. If you expand the arrow on the left, you will see that the third option is Maven Project. We want to select Maven Project and click Next. Now, this part is super simple, which is good because that's exactly what we want. In fact, we want to create a simple project. So we want to check the first box. The second box is already checked, and we want to leave that alone. Just go ahead and leave that the way it is. The third box we don't need, and we don't need to open advanced, so just come down to Next. Now, here we're only going to fill out two forms. We're only going to fill out Group ID and Artifact ID. Remember that Group ID kind of acts like a default package name kind of thing. And to be honest, we probably won't use it, but we should still fill this in for safety's sake. So we're going to enter in EDU, because this is an educational project, .Newmont, because it's for Newmont, the institution, really, and then .CSC 110. That's the course that we're in. And that's just a good naming convention. You're not required to do it that way. I think it just helps. And then Artifact ID, this is going to serve as our project name. Now, for example, if I were doing the Simple Math assignment, I'd probably want to call this project Simple Math. So using Pascal casing, I'm going to make a singular word title, Simple Math. So Simple Math, all one word, with capitals at the beginnings of each word. Go ahead and click Finish. And that's going to create a brand new project in Package Explorer, or rather in Eclipse. And if you look carefully, if you've done it right, there's this little itsy bitsy M, and that means Maven. And there's a J, and that's Java. So this is a Maven Java project. If we expand the arrow on the left, you'll see all the default directories and the libraries that come with a Maven project. Now, this library is currently targeting a version of Java known as Java 5 or Java 1.5. If we right-click on that library set and come down here to Properties, we can then get this little dialog, and it says Execution Environment. There's a drop-down. We want to click that drop-down. And while it says 1.5, that's great and all, but what we really want is 1.8. And my version currently says 171. Really, this ought to be 181. But whatever your current version is, just do that. So Java SE 1.8, and then whatever the most current version is. Select that item and click Apply and Close. Now this is a brand new project, which means that there's still like one more thing we got to do just to make sure that it's ready to go. Up here at the top, Source Main Java directory, we want to right click that, go to New, and then go to Package. Remember, we do not use the default package because, that's right, the default package is a trap. Now, we want to name our package something useful. For this super simple application I'm going to build, I'm just going to type in app. And then I'm going to click Finish. Now you can name the package whatever makes the most sense to you. As long as it's a good name, I don't mind. And if you right-click that package, you can go to New, and then down to Class. And this is how you insert your very first class. And I'm just going to call this Program for right now, like I've done before. Again, if you have a better name for this, go with that instead. And then, because this is my first class, and in truth it's going to be my only class, I'd better make sure it has a main method. So I'm going to check this box that adds the main method and click Finish. When I'm done, I have all of the right pieces, all the starting pieces for the program class. It's inside of the app package, which is inside my source main Java directory, inside my brand new project. And now I can take this to-do comment and delete it and replace it with real code so that I meet the requirements of the assignment. And that's it. That's all you need to do. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, of course, contact me and I'll do what I can to lend you a hand.